Tired of emptying your robot vacuum every single day? Want a cleaning machine that truly works on autopilot? Today, we're breaking down the absolute best robot vacuums with self-empty bases that'll keep your floors spotless for weeks without you lifting a finger. I've done the research, compared the specs, and checked real user reviews so you don't have to. Make sure to check the links in the description box below. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Yeti M14 Plus, and honestly, this machine punches way above its weight class. You're getting premium features like 18,000 PA suction and continuous roller mop washing at a mid-range price point that's hard to beat. The Omni Smart Station does all the heavy lifting for you. It washes the mop with 167-degree hot water, dries it with heated air, empties the dustbin automatically, and refills the water tank. You're looking at 90 days of hands-free cleaning, which means you literally don't touch it for 3 months. What really caught my attention during my research was the Zero Tangle 3.0 technology. The V-shaped bristles prevent hair from wrapping around the brush, which is absolutely game-changing if you've got pets or long hair in your household. No more cutting hair off with scissors every week. Here's what you should know though. The dustbin capacity is smaller than some premium options. If you've got a large home with heavy shedding pets, you might notice it needs emptying slightly more often than advertised. Not a deal breaker, but worth considering. The value proposition is insane. You're paying around $600 to $850, especially during sales, and you're getting technology that normally costs $1,200 or more. The 241-minute battery life covers large homes easily. The True Edge 2.0 system extends the mop and brush to clean right up against baseboards. For anyone wanting premium performance without the premium price tag, this is your winner. At number 4, the Dream L40 Ultra brings the perfect balance of performance and practicality. This is where you start seeing serious engineering that makes daily cleaning genuinely hands-free. The 11,000 PA suction hits the sweet spot for most homes. The Mop Extend Robo-Swing technology is where this really shines. It extends the mop up to 1.57 inches to reach corners and tight spaces other robots just can't touch. Pair that with side reach technology for the side brush, and you're getting edge-to-edge coverage that rivals manual cleaning. What caught my attention in user reviews was the intelligent carpet detection. That 10.5mm mop lift isn't the highest on this list, but it's smart about it. Multiple carpet modes let you customize how it handles different rug types. The 3D Structured Light Plus smart camera detects over 100 object types, even in low light. Here's what you need to consider. While the mopping excels at daily maintenance, it can struggle with dried, crusty stains. If you've got kids spilling juice regularly, you might need to pre-treat tough spots. It's excellent for routine upkeep, not deep restoration. The 5200 mAh battery delivers up to 194 minutes of runtime, covering nearly 2,000 square feet per charge. That power dock washes mops at 149 degrees Fahrenheit and handles everything automatically. At $900 to $1,200, this hits the mid-tier sweet spot, premium enough to handle serious cleaning tasks, affordable enough to justify the investment for most families. At number 3, the Shark Power Detect Never Touch Pro this is where American engineering meets practical innovation. Shark packed 5 power detect technologies into this machine, and they're not just marketing gimmicks, they actually make a difference. Dirt Detect and Stain Detect automatically boost power when the vacuum senses heavy debris or tough stains. Edge Detect literally blasts air to push debris away from walls into the cleaning path. Floor Detect switches between hard floors and carpet automatically, and Never Stuck lifts the entire vacuum over obstacles up to 38 millimeters high. Here's what makes this special. It's completely bagless. Most self-empty bases require proprietary bags that cost $20 to $30 for a pack. The Shark saves you that reoccurring expense forever. The Never Touch Pro base holds 60 days of debris and 30 days of water, handling both emptying and refilling. The consideration here is battery life and app performance. The battery is below average for this category, making it better suited for smaller to medium homes rather than 3,000 plus square foot houses. Some users report the app can be sluggish and occasionally buggy with mapping updates. At $900 to $1,000, you're getting incredible value, especially when you factor in the no bag savings over time. The 360-degree LiDAR navigation is accurate, and the odor neutralizer technology keeps your base station from smelling like a vacuum bag. For practical people who want solid performance without overpaying, this hits the mark. At number 2, the Ecovacs Dbot X9 Pro Omni is where mopping performance becomes the headline feature. This won 5 Vacuum Wars awards for good reason. It's absolutely dominant on hard floors. The 16,600 PA blast suction provides serious airflow technology for deep cleaning. The Osmo Roller Instant Self-Washing System is revolutionary. Unlike dual pad systems, this continuously cleans the mop while working with 16 times more pressure. It's genuinely impressive watching how it tackles sticky kitchen floors. That True Edge technology extends the mop for true edge-to-edge coverage without gaps. What sets this apart is the triple lift system. It automatically raises the mop, side brush, and main brush when transitioning to carpets. That level of automation means you're not babysitting it or creating no-go zones constantly. The Zero Tangle 3.0 system with V-shaped anti-tangle roller handles pet hair beautifully. Here's the honest feedback, though. Some users report navigation quirks with the internal LiDAR during initial mapping. You might need to supervise the first couple of runs to ensure it builds an accurate map. Once calibrated, it's smooth sailing, but there's a slight learning curve. The Omni Station is impressive. 150 days of hands-free maintenance with hot water washing, heated drying, and auto refill. At 3.8 inches slim, it reaches under furniture others miss. For $1,300 to $1,500, you're getting best-in-class mopping that genuinely replaces manual floor cleaning, not just supplements it.
And here we are at number 1, the Roborock Saros 10R. This is the flagship that redefines what robot vacuums can do. That 22,000 PA suction isn't just the number, it's industry-leading power that deep cleans carpets like no other robot vacuum on the market. The Duo Divide Zero Tangle brush delivers 100% tangle-free performance. Not mostly tangle-free, literally zero tangles with hair. For pet owners, this alone justifies the investment. The StarSight Autonomous System 2.0 combines RGB camera with time-of-flight sensors for flawless obstacle avoidance that borders on intelligent. What makes this special is how everything works together. FlexiArm technology extends both the side brush and mop for superior edge cleaning. It crosses 40mm thresholds, the best in class. At just 3.14 inches slim, it fits under virtually any furniture. Matter compatibility means seamless integration with Apple HomeKit, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Here's the consideration. Some carpet owners note vacuuming performance on deep pile carpets doesn't match older Roborock models focused purely on suction. If you've got thick shag carpeting, you might notice this. On hard floors and low pile rugs, it's absolutely exceptional. The multifunction dock is comprehensive. 60+ days of auto-empty, hot water mop washing at 167 degrees Fahrenheit, hot air drying, and auto refill. At around $1,600, this is premium pricing, but you're getting premium everything. This is the robot vacuum that truly eliminates floor cleaning from your routine entirely. That wraps up our top 5 robot vacuums with self-empty bases. Remember to check those Amazon links in the description for current prices and deals. Drop a comment below telling me which one you're going with, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. Happy cleaning!